Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is Zoo Airdrop backed by XEmpire. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to play this Zoo Airdrop. And if you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Please like, share and subscribe. And also turn on the notification bell so that each time I drop a new video, you get notified. I know a lot of us have started this project and some of us are yet to join. So there will be link in the description of this video. If you have not just started, you can use that link and join. This airdrop is going to be listed on January, so you have little time to get this airdrop. Now, how are you going to do it? They say welcome to Zoo. Here you will bind your very own zoo. Click on next. Earn coins and upgrade your zoo. The bigger and better your zoo, the more it mine zoo dollars. Now click on it. This is airdrop. Earn zoo token through airdrop based on your progress. That's XEmpire for you. Based on your progress, based on your activities, that is how you are going to get the token. Now you click on next. Create or join an alliance. You can create or join an alliance. Now click on next. We are having fun together. Grow your Zoom, complete quests, invite friends and take part in the airdrop. Now you click on I accept the terms and conditions. Now you click on start. So here what you are going to do is that you are going to buy an animal and you are going to feed that animal. So how do you feed your animal? You see here we have airdrop. You see this dot here on this airdrop. It shows something. You have to connect your wallet. Click on this to connect your wallet. Whichever wallet of your choice, connect it. Then you click on connect wallet. It's going to take us back. Okay. Wallet connection. Now let's check. Can you see that the wallet is now connected? That is the first thing to do in any airdrop that you are mining. Make sure you connect your wallet, number one. Then the second thing is your friends. Invite friends. Invite friends, important. Then the last one, the third one is this task. You are going to perform tasks. The first one is your daily reward. You have to claim your daily reward. And if any day you miss, you will go back again. So make sure you be on the street at least to get enough airdrop. So now let me take the task, the one ton connection that I did. Now take the price. I've gotten this. You can donate 0.1 ton. If you have the money, you do that. Invite 3 friends. One more boost for our channel. Follow them on S. Join our TG channel. So perform your tasks. I've joined. Then I've joined already. Check action. Now take 1,000. So perform your task. This riddle and rebus of the day, you know XEmpire and their method, riddles and rebus of the day. How do you get them? Simply go to the Chrome version, type riddle of the day, zoo riddle of the day. The answer will definitely pop up and you write it and fill it. It's very simple. So this is the task. Special event and special for XEmpire community. If you participated in XEmpire, we are going to get this special reward. So with this now, you have known how to perform your task and you can see my zoo account, my zoo balance is increasing. But what matters is the profit per hour, which is the zoo. This is what they are going to use to pay you, profit per hour. This is what they are going to use to pay you. So it's very, very important. Now you see over here, you see quiz. You're going to take a quiz and find out which animal you are. Now click on take quiz. How do you prefer to spend your weekend? Actively employing places. Just a quiz. Which dish will you choose in a restaurant? Okay. What clothing style suits you best? How do you usually handle stress? What quality in people do you value the most? Now find out what animal you are. I'm a turtle. You are wise and patient, preferring stability. Your motto, take your time. Now, so I am a turtle. So that is it. Now we are going to feed animals. How do we feed these animals? You see this plus plus sign you are seeing on this screen? You see all this plus plus sign you are seeing here? You are going to tap on any one. You are going to buy an animal and feed it. This turtle is giving me 5 plus 5 token per hour, and I'm going to buy it for 10. So I need to buy it. Now I've gotten it. Can you see? So I need to upgrade it every 1 hour. It's giving me just 5. It's small, so I need to upgrade. Let me tap on it. You can see it's in level 1. Current zoo price pay, and the next level pair is 8 hours. Now increase at the next level to plus 3, that is 8 hours. Now click on it, level up again, level up again. To just continue to level up till you feel that you are okay with the level you are. Now I'm okay with this. Let me go and buy another animal. Now I'm going to tap here again. I'm going to buy rabbit. Rabbit is going to cost me 20 zoo coin, and it's giving me 10 plus per hour. So let me buy. Now I need to upgrade so that I can get 18 per hour in the increase at the next level at 8 plus. So I'm going to get 18 zoo per hour. Level up till you get the level you want. Now we are going back again. Buy this one. Click on square, upgrade, do the same thing, upgrade. Mind you, you are buying from your coin balance. This is how you buy them. This flamingo, buy it, upgrade, as simple as that. By doing this thing, in every 24 hours, you have enough coin per hour, which is what this zoo is going to pay us. We know XEmpire and their method. So with this, I believe you know what to do. Now you click. So that is it. Use this to level up. Continue to buy. Continue to buy till you have no zebra. Is giving me 40 per hour. Upgrade. 40 per hour, upgrade. So I believe with this you have known what to do. I believe with this you have known what to do. So I don't have more. You can as well buy with stars or tons, but I don't encourage all these things. Go for the free one. Go for the free one. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also join my WhatsApp group where I share daily combo. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.